Narwe gukari ntuko ya ithatu ya kuunga Maûri AMINISTA Ruto aria ACHOORE ba akue mono ba RAILA Odinga nibo bakinyite mbere ya kamiti eze John Mbadi uria utari kujukia gitikio minista na kinya opio wadai. Mbadi augite agachwa njira ingi cia gutethia thirikari kuuthurania mbeca bate kuongera ugoti rimwe ni amwe na kugwatanira na rwangi rwa kuuthurania ugoti KRA ni kenda gutigira gute mbeca cia ugoti ikura. Anthony Kathenya na Rugonoru.
Ntuki ya kathatu ya kuthujo watara baiti nkurani bia mawaziri.
John Mbadi Ng'ong'o.
John Mbadi Ng'ong'o, Salim Mvurya Mgala, Rebecca Miano, James Opio Wandai na Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen bakinyaga mbele ya kamiti ya bunge usu kibilo kenda kumenya umebwao kile itebile batali itwe ni Rais William Ruto. John Mbadi Ng'ong'o muthingati munene wa RAILA Odinga no ala mbere kire mutaratara wa kethiro wa Mbadi agetukwa ni bunge akethiro agitongera ministry ile no bataru munene akigina kire thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
Can you tell Kenyans whether you would actually stand with them to have all thieves, corrupt people, everybody who has pilfered being brought to book to take responsibility for that crime?
You talked about pending bills as well. You said they should not be paid or you will have a system. What kind of system are you talking about?
How do you intend to turn around the economy so that you cushion Kenyans to prevent negative impact on their welfare? Thank you.
Mbadi akiuga gagikira mibango miganu kire gutigera thirikari ni kuona kigina kinene na ATIKWONGELA ugoti.
On revenue collection, there are many other measures, but the most important is we must clearly have a state-of-the-art system to collect our taxes. Other revenue-raising measures, I want to mention that we must now think through methods that would generate revenue off balance sheet. One of them is climate change financing.
John Mbadi Ng'ong'o na ulele idititonga bwae ni bwa milioni 380 ni anenkanirite mendekithia nkurani makuthiria madeni manene ma thirikari.
My focus is to have commercial debt at no more than 5% of our debt portfolio, external debt portfolio, and have 75% of our debt under multilateral debt and only 20% or thereabout on bilateral debt. With that, you can clearly reduce the cost of debt.
Salim Mvurya na ulele idititonga bwae ni bwa milioni 158 akimenagiro ni abunge na ntuba gutongera ministry ile thiritwari ya madini kuuma obisini na kwirikana taro kinyekire county imwe ile jinutonga bwingi.
I have a lot of field information which I can give you here to confirm that I was not desk.
Rebecca Miano na ule atarito kiri ministry utalii agite tagira na kugena umebwa kwigana kutigira utalii ni bukuongereka na thirikari ya Kenya ni kuongera kigina kinene kia maendeleo.
Mr. Chairman, I feel that the competencies I have, which I have described, that is academic qualification, managerial and leadership, the technical skills, all those have gone a long way to hone me and prepare me for even another docket.
Opio Wandai na ula tareto kutongera ministry ya Mainya na Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen na ula tareto kiri ministry ya Mwana na Michezo na bo bakinyaga mbele kamiti eno ku mamu jimuneno Nairobi Beta Anthony Rangi wa Kadhinya.